Hi, I'm Johan Magnusson with Alfresco Grills, and I'm here to share with you today Alfresco's amazing Signature Taste smoking system. The Alfresco smoking system opens up a whole new world of flavors for the aspiring outdoor chef to experiment and create with. Let's talk about how to fire up your smoking system. Turn all the knobs to off and then turn on the gas supply. The adjustable valves are labeled off, max, and min. The non-adjustable valves are labeled off and on. Now, always keep your face and body as far away from the grill as possible when lighting. To light the smoker burner, you want to start with lifting the hood, depress the igniter button, and immediately push and turn the smoker burner control knob 90 degrees counterclockwise to the max position. Wait for the burner to light, then adjust the temperature by turning the knob from max high setting to min low setting by turning counterclockwise. You want to fill the smoker tray with thoroughly soaked and drained wood chips. Soak for 30 minutes before, as it will give you a bit of moisture to the cook. The wood won't burn up too fast and it will offer a more consistent smoke. Light the burner and replace the smoker tray into the grill, close the hood and set the smoker burner to high. Smoke should begin in about 20 to 30 minutes. One tray of wood chips will usually last for about an hour. During extended grilling, chips might need to be added several times. What you want to do then is pull the drawer only partially out of the grill to add chips while in use. Never remove the hot smoker tray completely from the grill. To improve smoke performance, keep the hood closed as much as possible when food is grilling. An important detail to remember with your Signature Taste system is that if your wood chips or herbs are not thoroughly soaked, they might flare up during grilling. To extinguish the flames, pull the drawer slowly a few inches out of the grill front and add a small amount of water. The smoker tray can also be filled with water for use as a mini steamer, which can help keep delicate food moist during grilling. Soaked and unsoaked wood chips are both great options, though a lot of times you want them soaked because it brings a little bit of moisture to the cook and the wood chips will also last longer. However, it will take slightly longer for the wood chips to burn and start smoking, and sometimes soaked wood chips will provide a little bit of a bitter taste. You can soak the herbs you use as well. Almost any food will benefit from some smoke flavors, and you can use the smoke system in almost any kind of grilling situation, so don't be afraid to use it frequently and experiment. Know that as an outdoor chef, you can create your unique flavors by choosing your type of wood and herb combination, as well as when you decide to turn on the smoke system and how long you keep it on for. All of these variables offer you a creative space to develop truly unique flavors when grilling. Knowing what wood to use with your food can make or break your dish. So mild woods like alder or maple go really well with seafood, while medium woods like all the fruit woods and oak goes extremely well with poultry and pork. The stronger woods like hickory, pecan, walnut goes well with beef, lamb, and even game. And the strongest wood, mesquite, is of course a must if you want that Texas flavor on dark meat, which mostly is beef. You want to mix different types of wood, add herbs, add aromatics for different flavor profile. Any kind of herbs, rosemary, thyme, sage, tarragon could be used, and you can also soak the wood in wine or beer. Some people claim that this adds a barrel flavor to the meat. Make sure that the smoking drawer is completely cooled when you begin the cleaning process, knocking any ash out of the drawer and wiping with a soft, damp, soapy cloth and rinsing with warm or hot water. If your smoking drawer is particularly messy, use a multi-purpose cream cleanser and apply with a soft, damp cloth, then rinse with water. Now, if you're dealing with stubborn dirt or ash, you can use a nylon scouring pad with the cream cleanser. Never use wire wool pads though, unless they are made of stainless steel, and never ever use harsh abrasive scouring materials, wire brushes, scrapers, or contaminated scouring pads. Make sure that you wipe along the grain direction of the stainless steel and the grates rather than across it. If needed, dry with a soft towel after cleaning. So I really hope these details will help you get up to speed quickly with using your Alfresco Signature Taste smoking system. I'm Johan Magnusson for Alfresco Open Air Culinary Systems. Happy grilling.